how to log into your Threads account step by step. So in here, the very first thing that you need to do is simply get your Threads application from your Google Play or your App Store, and then from there you can simply open the application. Then you'll be able to see this login page right here. Now what you're going to do is simply tap on the username or email address or phone number right here and add in all of the credentials of your Instagram account, since you guys know that the Thread is actually connected with your Instagram account, so it will only work if you use the credentials of your Instagram account. So simply write the username or email address or your phone number, and then you can simply add in the password of your Instagram account. Then when you tap on login, that way you will successfully be able to log into your Thread account like that, right? So in here, if your Instagram app is installed, then you can actually tap on your profile to authenticate instantly like this. But if your Instagram account is like not installed on your phone yet, then there will be the option of logging in, just like I previously showed you. So yeah, that's exactly how you will be able to do it.